omo bia to dwa no pa no so ka ina say discipline integrity aro betima mana boa pa na odi support to aya Ashanti region na Ashanti region and people manyo kwento magina bra ni se be pese be bru se be kudo to bi ya ade bi na ensem for to be kana kra kire na betima boa ma sanity ene pere yo kebom kese aba e wa sentiment mu na chairman so de be ba ene won sama no pai madam IDB ma of cases so na okwa asen eye kruwa central region me no ke say forest eye guard bi na ni Richard Ochi within finche no aduonum enwotwe 58 me no ke say eni pa bonfo bi age ne confidence e bi yensa kai suspect Bukari Abudu Alafe John Mensa na kobo nyina ne say forest guy di e hwa boa pa Amakakum forest no yetuma bo ho ban yi eni pa menu a me bo mudi nso me suspect ebo wuro mo ma nso mu kopem mo atuma ko mo no mu yo mo de pa eti forest guy di copy o mu su no eso be chinkrofo ena ba akoma tu so na di maya ebe no kase akwane ne din Richard Ochi na no bon se do na posifo ye hwemu ena re ho sama no pa edi twemu etumi edi ama wo fidike so no so me pa no pa enye ni pa na miracle saboaje nkomo yi ne nkoma wodi na no pa ina ne se unim se na okwa akuape north somewhere 2020 onya MC bi wo hodo eye samane no so nkom na shebedwe na onko yi ne ho ano na sankomo no a ema fo kikan se mi so no waji sika da de no se no emu na bam e mpusu no atika gongo wo bodo motu se emfa ne nsema sa meje mfina bi endi sa manyoko beka gu no so on the why na adwen say due diligence proper scrutiny ebe tuma hwe akoso pa magana yen sika sematuma gina bra ene ntinde wo ye adwuma ko bi na wa adwen so de bi be hye ba bi afenyo se da bi ohuna ne ntuma ne nyaaka ene on sama no pai afenyo market the minority leader ole ko mo bi atudwa no pai so de sama me pa Mr. Duncan Amoa, Secretary Secretary, and the Chamber of Petroleum and Consumers. But come up here to and so no come award the United States. I was buying to mission no creative conditions for 24-hour economy a year. And you might see there's no nice or better by the market. The market na and the market a hold of crack kaka kwemo yemi. If there's a quantity panyes can put a mark of any more home by Juma. Then they work catch and say about 24-hour economy babu mamma Juma Ghana for Juma. No back pa. No be a baby and you brand and not being a baby. Buy a what piano to check the market na we see. And then summer. Mr. Duncan Amoa, and I figure out xenophobic attacks across South Africa. Go back to the country. As I'm coming to MTN Ghana, I've committed 20 million Ghana cedis. So I dish your copy of Honma Yapamoso Mumbra. Now, Omokwa Capreno Machirino. Young fan support you, when no one someone will pay. And I had DBM verification and so many pay. The Asari Bediako, why withdraw say and they NPP communications raise no. I watch the and also about miracles of what so our time almost 12 billion US dollars and our pipeline. They may invest in a Juma production and home some to my boy, a month for you, Juma to me. Be a group from Becassa and the Pepper new money be a companies a whole a factories no more to many Juma. One is one factory now comes to a cow. But in Naki can with them. And ye need their mom was be about so any day. That the National Society, they say Kumasi a year Accra Expressway no. Enje bia no mu ye wi mesrew tinie enye ni na no mu ye wi eye twa na ye twa kwan na tum na mesrew me agro me hu story me yam shim say eh na agro fo mu da na mesrew eye kwan no mu twa no yesi enche no mu ye dukuma so dum say yem patu so de omotwe mu dada me hu so say na minister no order na kuma say Accra expressway no mu ye awie de me kenkam se da bi kwan no mu twa na de me ne ya adwe na konongo de ne de da be no be wi che so hodo enka mo da dwe no ho kra engrofo yi enye nipa yo say yam fancy na for any Mr. David Ohinimen Santa Cra any nkoma no pe na ye hwese wi mu sa chere bi se no pai ye ko ba pe ye be sa trust no pai
nda erade access wa adom aboyen na wama ade achi yen biom na yasan hyiam ewo afidie eso ende aye na otwefo fa wie do se hwe morning weather report se na weather sitie ene dey na eno nti no ene weather no ye be ma weekend outlook anase ne asiye ewo weekend na afi anope ekwa nwumre so no ne ayehwe ne mo so ye be ka ho asama kire wo ramesi fa padi ena anope report no ne sasha asese duty forecaster ena meso mede nkyeremu eba onchen no na ne wo ho ene se over the weekend ana afofem ha ebinimo ti yeye mensuo to asototo ma won ewiemu anda ho ama ebinimo ne titro Saturday ifia ahomache ko ewiemu ho no intermittently no nsuo gugu ye ema ebinimo na slight to moderate rain ewo middle forest and then part of the coast and hilly areas ni bi titro na nsuo totoye edema won na eno ntino efi enra anado eba anopawe no ewiem enyuno kakra yehwe yen empatem ha santiatem enkrefa ene asantemem ha anope temperature ejira between 23 to 25 na entire country minimum temperature ejira 22 na maximum ejira 25 degrees Celsius anopawe yeso no as usual forest and hilly zones no ebo kakra ewo wiem yekosu kakra wo anafofem ha na eposonso enda ho the state of the sea rough bremu ekobe no ndum ho no yese ebinumu yomo southern part ha etie yenso kakra begugu ama won na ansana no nsia ebebo no nya ebi ewo hilly and forest zones no nso kakra gugu ye eno ye bekasa ye ebonsio anase bosio nso kakra gugu ye ema ebinumu yese bremu consono few areas ewo southern part through ewo forest and hilly zones no tie yenso kakra be gugu ama won the entire country yese ifi no do kodu ba komo ko no miasem ho no awia kakra be ba ma wiem ate kakra e de amayen ene dey nanso awia den bia ni ho ebebo eho ne ho na wiem ayekoso kakra no the temperature minimum be gira 28 na maximum gira 32 yeba asante achim enkrefa ha no temperature be gira between 29 to 31 degrees Celsius figures ya mabubo so e kire se ewia no embo den saa emayen watifi fam ne anafofam nyina late afternoon ekono ebinimu ensuo ehun nsem no enhyeda nhyen kran saa titro eba yempatem ha dodo na nsuo hun se de to ha mu a ejina nchemu aduasa kwadua na mu ho afi na ahyase pagya ne mu ba kakra ano ti do hwe nsen edi enum titro ndie se anope wiembe kosu kakra na leta ewia kakra fam amayen ene so eposo enda ho menua mejira we so de na report na sida foforo rade ya adom a yebesa ehia mbiem
right no Mr. David Ohinimen Santa Cra ene no edim komano pai na yehwe se de wiemu sachire na no pai ebesi aye na yemfo asere ne bi emfa ema Asante Achim Community Bank PLC o madama na no pay yekofa ye weather update ne de bro so men kan cho say dey a current account and a person will be savings and as a fixed deposit and I made them on pay 024993733 upon non crumble points money be asan eku upon non crumble points money be asan eku si say a year don't come upon this money be asan wo boy jumade pampaye or jiasum 10 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. a counseling or no better say oh how a man ye audio ba and can wasem tananim di na nyame dada no a ebe kan ho nsama kire na fo tuma bo anti Sunday na no wotwe anopa wa ba be som Sunday service no kosi sedu ba ko ebobo Obogu Central Assembly no butu friend 0243225450 0243225450 na one the Calvary Living Chapel kofa by Apostle Emmanuel Uba Latio. Eni kuma papa pa good morning me yiri so mpom ye pa. Abusha yem fancy na yentwa ho komra na Sir Evans ene ne dom abetrasa no pai na ye the sports atumatwa mu de man no chebe san abetrasa no pai na edi nkomedi ne kachire Krobia Santayam the unofficial mayor ye kwaba ene enta ye basisia.
Memo Bia Kwabania Sam will be at Chidiaba. I heard 95.5 FM. So a good year on some sports update and on Piatnas Yako weekend and so about somehow do no Babatraso, Etimi Edi Amamo and Nano Pay, or Brajumedino and so Eba Ayawaka runs a weekend and all matches out on the Timi El Toto Ja and Crofo Crusoe and Rechino Obagana, so Agakra Etimi and so Eba son in somehow draw Etimi Abu one. I don't want some Babatraso, Etimi Edi Amamo 95.5 FM. So now Anyama Etimi and so Atadia and Asam Ketakra Ernti and Samanon and so Eba Aya welcome your fan as Senibi Emma is Shadow Boston Tomada Romanio Aya best my capsules no I will just so Bina is super and what Tom Ebetimi and so Abba Etimi Edi Amawano Edia Etimi Atoja and Entisayana Sisi Ayoja well drew at the new best my capsules or Bana Sabema who here been away to me Ayusu Amahoto Etimi Abba Ayesi no Sasun and Kwamwano Ewa Fomo and Namusayare Gonorrhea Syphilis no only the new best my capsules Bina is super and Yamabetimi and so Ayakama Edi Amawa and Nano Pomada Romatana said in Samanon and so Etwaso Etimi Edi Amamo Ewa Aya Jimadi so and Eti Mama Yanshana Sonanioma Etimi and so Antadi Awasakwana so and Asam Ketakra and Eti Bomadi Aji Awa Jimadi so Honamani Sasa Hodono Ebe Jane what Yasian was a Sabron Ebetimi and so Etu Efu so Aqua now Uhia Aya Bambam Heba Bamnebi why a Jumabre what Yasia Uhia Nadia Srasra Debachino Nam and what until all call Mr. Kenneth Kwaku Animo, now Wakwa Jodi, now Anyama Etimi and so Etimi no Etimi and so Ebuso our Skyness satellite. Anyone Samanon and so Atwaso Etimi Ede Amamo Wabra Jumadino and so Etimi Abba Ayat Wakwama and Asam Ketakra Elho and Enti Yashana Sonanioma Etimi and Tadi Bosumina so Opeso Recharge dia a DSTV4 and our face start time some Yusua. A recharging of Bosumi Biano, what the Anesabako Skyness satellite one now was Waka recharge oh how own chakwan what you say what the anasa do code no be Sunday no so etimi a recharge ade amawano ade atoja e don sabede bim so atoaso etimi ade amamo awo jumade so and which no providence of ke omosi yan kanchromo say ayadea jumade no and so baso de dentia and no and so ade tiano no and your providence of ke omo and sano no ade free health screening no and toja de dentia enye easy and enti etimi enso ashase bamodia na fa busy samno eto nchenye nyabre enso emma chesa honam wedie no na problem bia na elkoso no wetimi enso awakwa check up ano aya free health screening and na toja our Providence FK one more premises and enti ye kan for more etimi adiamamo onya dru konangoa amone Ghana Commercial Bank no edi enemishe anasa Paulina A Sapon edi enemishe enwechino ene Stellar Pharmacy abronsano omo ewo soro no na watimi ene Providence FK empenifo also edi kamo ama enioma aye kama edi amount to kwa check o pressure o diabetes level na nyina o kwa check o kidney no what ya say o lungs no problem bia na ewo mu no bomodi asa obeko o kwa no mo beto mo bose na mo so 8 man hwehwe mo no mo said abi o how anyway and also hawa and non aya Providence FK omodia etimi anso atojano no ho na omonso biaso etimi aya kama edi ama madaruma atenase eren semenom anso atoaso etimi edi amamo enano pay toaso amamo awo aya jumede siakade se weekend no na action on ayo fully packed enye asem ketakra na de tienie wodo wani chirema matches etimi anso atojane ehon resource no yemfa ehon sam antoaso amamo enne anopay na yentumi enso enko yenemo awo ayesa kwan so na ayese enso anatie enne odo ani chirema various leagues no Premier League etumi atoja oko Serie A Calcio A no etimi enso eba so EA Sports La Liga and also etimi atoja and which you do any chirema France Le Championnat matches out no etimi enso eba so and enti yenhye all Le Champion anymore na yetimi enso enko yenemo and no aya Monday 2 Monday 1 etimi enso atoja Olympique de Marseille eba 4 Emma Strasbourg wamonso etimi antisa ekano Racing Club de Lens SF5 Emma AJ Ozo wamonso etimi ebo 2 Troyes ene aye Paris FC omo game no obi antimi anfa ball Anthony Yankum atinamo Le Mans omo ene aye Stade Brest edebani ema game no bana wi no game no ND 2-2 OJC Nice Rivera Stadium omo na fe Lorraine obi antimi anfa ball Anthony Yankum atinamo Toulouse Boboku no atina fe Lyon ebo no 2 one so antimi ante and watch no Adia Angers ena fe Lille Metropole ebo 2 Emma Angers wamonso entimi ante Le Havre atina fe Emma AS Monaco esano ekana ba kon wanonso epim so awantimi ante sa ekana eno aye game etimi enso etoja anenti Abrante afan Eric Dyer on aboard the only goal no Emma AS Monaco René Boboku no ebo 2 Emma Paris Saint-Germain wamonso etimi ebo 2 eno aye game etimi enso 4 3 points plus of 2 Monaco etoso 5 3 points plus of 1 at plus of 1 and no idea atoja e don sabadom and so atwaso ade amamo and ne anopay 95.5 FM so yentwaso yenkweni remo and so our Italy adia calcio a games no and also etimi atotoja enye asam ketakura na Odinese Calcio eshebakom amakomo amonso etimi eshebako International Milano ebo 4 Emma Monza amonso etimi ate academy bako and no a game etimi and so atoja Hakan Çalhanoğlu abo madin abo first goal no edema Inter Milano and which Abrante from Petr Zielinski abo second goal and Abrantia from Pio Esposito abo a third goal no Jan Bisek and some abo fourth goal edema Inter Milan bubuku no manioma etimi and so atadi edema Inter omotimi na no defending champions no omodia no so etimi atoja and which Parma Calcio etina fema Cagliari eshomo ekanaba kon omonso etimi antisa ekana January bubuku no ema Elso Napoli esano economy no no so no etimi antisa ekana Kevin De Bruyne ebo first goal and Abrante from Vergara ebo modern and so ebo second goal no edema Elso Napoli omotimi na nioma etimi and so atadi Venezia and afa US Lech boboku no informative was a game no Lech ebo 2 Emma Venezia omonso entimante Frosinone Calcio Emma Juventus ejifano so ekabakon onso entimante Abrante fe Brema on a bossa oligo no edema Juva and Emma etimi enso ayakama ede amamo Atalanta boboku no ebo 2 Emma Sassuolo Calcio omonso etimi ate academy bakon and enti eno aye game etimi atoja Giacomo Raspadori mo and afe Kristovic omona bossa 2 goals no edema Atalanta and Emma etimi enso atadi Torino atina fe ama AC Milano esheno academy no no so no etimi ate academy baako no ye game etimi enso etoja don semeno etoasom ade amamo ene anapay our 95.5 FM so Abrante fan Alfajo CC ebo aye first goal no Adrian Rabiot ebo second goal edema AC Milano wamom enso etimi na fechi Adams ono so ete Carabao edema Torino wamom side no aye game etimi etoja ene odwani chimo Renato de Ara informative was Bologna ɔmo fe Alsace Lazio boboku no ebetumi enso edi Abonia no 4:30 and then ana saa match no ebetumi atoja Fiorentina etwa Roma our Stadio Olimpico odmo na saa match no etumi enso abaso 45 na saa match no ebetumi enso atoja nti Inter 3 Napoli 3 Lech about enya 3 points na fe AC Milano amoso etumi enya 3 points enom ensebere bia atoja edon sebenom enso atoaso etumi edi amamo enne ana pay 95.5 FM so eka ewon sebere bim etumi edi achiramo yentoaso na yenkwenim na yemfa sebere bi ema etiefo dia yeremo awa Germany ewon so Manchester etumi atotoja no emarensa weekend ya dia duani enso achiramo Super Cup no etimi anso atoja ema anioma etimi anso atadia enye asemgoda grasa aso na DLV Pokal game no etimi ebaso nemomo odwani anso achiremo dia Bayern Munich no omo Super Cup no mache edi esi omo na so 2-1 omo chi aye Borussia Dortmund no eno mo 2-1 anioma etimi anso aye kama edi ama Bayern Munich kamo club no odwani anso achiremo round 1 ene DLV Pokal no edos yimo na yenkweremo dia Stuttgart to qualify anymore. Frankfurt and so I qualify anymore. Osberg, Ewini, and also qualify Leverkusen na qualify NT Adia. Among and so senior teams no. What I say, Omo qualify Manioma, Etimi and so I come no. Eddie Etimi Atoja, Edo Sabana Demamo, Nuremberg, and so I qualify Hanover 96, and so I qualify Elkonim Hertha Berlin. Also I qualify Werder Bremen, Elkonim Sasuna Hoffenheim. Omo Etimi I qualify Omo Eddie Comanima Leipzig Munino. Omo I qualify VfL Bochum, Dresden, Magdeburg, Darmstadt, Manzo 5, Borussia Mönchengladbach, Union Berlin, Paderborn 07, Freiburg, and what you know, what do I need to do more? I'm going to qualify, and so Elkonim and Wolfsburg, about 4 p.m. And also Elbo, Vel, Elbo Hamburger Alsv, and also I 4 p.m. Wolfsberger Kickers, and I feel Cologne, ebe to me at the Abonia, and also I 4 p.m. na saa match no, ebe to me at Toja, I don't want somebody to be at also Harley, woman I feel shaking of fear, ebe to me at the Abonia, no, yes, 45, so I give them, ebe to me also at Toja, our DLB Pokanimo, I don't want some also at also, to me at the Amamo 95.5 FM so, and as some good akrebe Romo Spain, now I want so matches are etimi atoja no etimi ayahwo juma etimi ade amamo our 95.5 FM so Raw Vallecano Eshabako Emma Deportivo Alaves almost etimi Eshabako Ribetis Esha 1 Real Sociedad Omo entimi ante Atleti Bilbao etina firma Sevilla ebe shamo economy ensa womo so no etimi te economy bakon eno eye gamer etimi enso etoja Valencia ne Celta de Vigo obi entimi anfa ball anto ne yanko atinamo RCD Espanyol esha bakon ama Real Madrid omo so etimi esha 2 eno etimi enso etoja no Abrante for the Jude Bellingham ebo first goal no Calatrava also eba bete kano edema RCD Espanyol and afi Carlos SP on a ball a year winning go no edema Real Madrid no team no the White Angels Los Blancos almost side no ema kunim die etimi eba de momo Atletico de Madrid ebo 2 ema Villarreal the Yellow Submariners almost etimi ebo 2 ewo ayesa game no and enti odwani anso achirema Abrante Fernandez Simeone obomaden anso ebo go Pibo edeba kum episo Abrante Fernandez aya Gerard Moreno and afi Georges Mekatozi on the boss Agos no dem Villarreal on my team na don seven and so eltoaso at the amamo Hetafe Eshabakuma Racing Club the Racing Club on so antimi ante Elche Enra Massa and better club Barcelona fortune almost a maba munyina you na bana mabano La Liga na mobile etino Massa baptism of fire ana ne basa wamabo madem edemamo mako enum papa bi ema jese ene Elche wamonso entimi antesa ekano Karim Adeyemi ebo no first goal La Liga mo ede amabasa Rafinha anso ebo brace Fermin Lopez anso ebo madem ebo brace edema basa wamotimi no tinra basa na aye goal first and etimi atoja Hetafe ebo madem Eshabakon Emma Racing Club. Almost Antimante now El Sada, Osasuna, and afe Lebente 5:30 and a side game no ebetimi anso atoja Malaha and afe Deportivo La Coronia omo game no anso ebetimi atoja and 7:30 and a sa match no ebetimi anso abaso Sevilla na LED wanya 6 points. Deportivo Alaves atosum you know enya 4 Atletico de Madrid atosum yensa enya 4 Barcelona atoso 4 wanya 3 aya points and no edia atoja do somebody be anso atoso ade amamo and ne anapay 95.5 FM so mama yesha no so na nyoma etimi anso enter de bewremo ewo and England adia Premier League matches no etimi anso toto ja weekend and etimi anso eshase na no fiada and chese Arsenal for bomade amo ese omo ye attacking champions omo ye defending champions and ntino Arsenal che Coventry City and mama Academy and Sama Coventry omo some antimante Kai Havertz Bukayo Saka Martin Odegaard omo the boss 3 goals no edema Arsenal Hull City eche Manchester United and mama Academy you know ama Manchester United omo so antimi antesa ekana and no aye game etimi anso atoja and nti abrantia ya bomadem anso afra no aye ajayi wano ebo aye first goal no and abrantia no so afra Nobel Mendy ebo second goal Edema Hull City wamo timi no Israel Town ebo 2 Emma Sunderland wamo timi ete ekanamu balkon Nottingham Forest Emma Leeds esha na kabakon went timi ante Everton Ebo 2 Crystal Palace wamonso entimante Brentford ebo buku no ebo miensa ma Tottenham Hotspur wamonso entimi ante eno aye gamer etimi enso etoja enwachi odwani echirema Brighton and Hove Albion wamo ebo modem echi aye bubuku from Aston Villa eno momo ekano mako 4 Emma Aston Villa wamonso etimi ebo 2 eno aye games ebo 2 eno aye games etimi enso etoja don semino etwaso adiamamo abrande fan Anthony Elanga Joe Willock the boss August no edema Newcastle United Cody Gakpo Dominic Szoboszlai enso ebo aye 2 goals edema Liverpool team na game no 8-man dey draw edon some enso totoja weekendi and yet some results and fixtures etimi enso atwaso etimi edi amama enye asem ketakura no edi etojanti Rafinha wasa akano ho atese bibia so etimi ayakama etimi edi ama ayobubuku na eno edi etoja ero sabro enso edi mamo ewo ayo jumade ni so enya asem ketakura enra Anthony Gordon ayade 60 feet a minute I don't know so be mo ebe yi Lami Yama na ayade assist no mienu etimi esunye enti obaye na 67th minute and make assist Emma Nioma aye kamadema Rafinha 71st aye minute and abomade SIA another assist Edema aye Fermin Lopez and Nioma etimi aye kama etimi edema omo aye Barcelona omodia etimi atoja don semino and so atwaso edi amamo ewo aye Jumaide ni so enye asem keto akranti yansha no so na Nioma etimi and so entadi ewo aye sakwan so eno aye de etimi atoja don semino be and so atwaso etimi de amamo 95.5 FM so enye asem keto akra House of Flick aye manager and so at the Mabubuku from Barca. Ya tu just a fini ashase, a fin agrono, and so ashase, and inti ayantumwase, watch us here, or mema agrona efe, at the ama ayabubukua, ya from aya Real Madrid, and no idea atoja, ya don't sabim, and so atwaso, etimi at the amamo, and ne anapay 95.5 FM so, and ye asem kotakra awo, na yam famity was a Real Madrid timino, a cardenan kebuakamum. Anya sem ketokra nemo mabranti ya front Carlos SP on the bomade and so esevu Real Madrid on team no na say Kylian Mbappe fa ball no na mu na mo ye pramunia I don't know to from Basto and Carlos SP abomade and so efa ball no boko pia ball no de twat nemo ama enioma etimi and so aye kama ano edia atoja do semino edema say Real Madrid team no wamani abre omako Leo Metropole wamo and so a player ho Thiago Petach na yamfameti over say Lil Rada and ane omo enso eko Thiago Petach ho na ade Lil for na come up player no nemo yamfameti over say do ani enso achiroma Madrid for arrejete say omogituma anya de be ye de birada eno ade atoja the goal scorer the winning goal Carlos SP or say a great honor say ono etimi ejinamo ade ama Madrid watimi enso epuso atena ede amamadu da motimi no na ayade a eni agye papa ede amo no ankasa no ho na busuafo nyina na no wa promise obe give you all ede amabubuku afam rimadeda enom enso ede etoja don sem no enso ede mamo ene anope ewo 95.5 FM so enye asem keta kro ti ohwenimo say bibia ebetimi enso ayekama etimi ede amana no ede etoja ye kan awon seberebe etimi enso ede achiramo ewo ayejumade so enye asem keta kro ewo hobasto Liverpool foni abre on aye abrande for na Andre Felipe so na player no onye na adwene de biara da so no so beba no ba be adwuma enso edi ama Liverpool wamo etimi na no aye de etoja e don semede bim enso etoa so etimi edi ama mo ene anapay 95.5 FM so enye asem kota kront ye sha no so na nyoma etimi enso enye committee next game no versus Real Sociedad yen hwe de one yama ebetumi enso akọ Andoni Erola edi atuja se afeni ahye season ase what ase performance no ono a otimi nkasa nye ono so timi nkasa de na ye what ase esa se 2-2 hard fought draw and Liverpool wamoso etimi enya ye asa na ade na jinsema no nemu no ade omobo modin enso at the Tony Mama just a latter part of the game no Liverpool ever betini kama nioma etimi enso aye kama and into the all kan nyina Sunday and aso the man boys no going for the no awoso mbo modin aye irimo na bibi bia so etimi aye kama edema aye bobuku from Liverpool and Andoni Erola ne di ono so etimi ade atuja edo some enso atuaso etimi ade amamo 95.5 FM so enye asem keta grand say no Enzo Maresca no ana manfo chirema say pa de Pep Guardiola enso eko nemum no awoso abomodin ayirimu mo esa so hwe de Benham for no abomodin enso adi omona na esa Liverpool abobuku from Man City amount to omoni omajia enyoma ebetumi enso ahadwen ede ama ayobubuku from Manchester City eno ede eto to anya winning start or esa bibia no ebetumi enso ayakama etumi ede ama no ede etoja edo semenom ede amamo 95.5 FM so enye asem kedakra ele Holland masa enra ni new haircut no hanya sem gota crownia abamodem enso etwane tiri kwabo fena ni wi no enso efifiba ene ya Ale Hollander de etimi enso atoja no a edon sam enso etoaso edemamo 95.5 FM so ene ti mama yensha no so na eniyoma etimi enso enye kama ewo eye jumade ni so a enye asem ketokra ewo ho ene ti na de tie no na yebebo modin na ye ruremom enso ewo fie na ensama odu no so efifi eba no yetimi ede wonsam enso atoa so etimi ede amamo ewo eye jumade ni so a enye asem ketokra ka chiramo se Thomas Taye Partey wodu wani chirama ese no ade a Saudi Arabian club ye from Al Shabab ana onua abomodin enso etimi assign ede abomo na ayade adwani enso achirama Thomas Taye Partey ayade ono so den some etimi atoja so ono so making a debut ede ama Al Shabab wamo club no mane Al Khalij ede pempem so na Thomas Taye Partey enso ebomodin ede in some way atoja wabra game no enso ende 0-0 wama yentie enua bema Thomas Taye Partey enso ensama wade atoja.
Yeah, I think it's amazing. I like it. It's my first game here, and I thought we did great. We could have scored. We had a chance to score, but well, it's part of football. We have to just keep working hard and then try to make more points and get 3 points in our next game.
You are a big player. We were waiting a lot of from you.
Well, I think it's normal. I'll do my best to give everything to this club, and I'm really happy to be here. Thank you.
Tiano enua Thomas Taye Partey one so making a derby game adama Al Shabab buku abramane Al Khalij edebo ania game no etimende draw ye don some no enso etoa so etimi edama 95.5 FM so enya sem kedra weekend no yamfa meti evo say na John Mikel Obi enso Ghana hanamo na ne podcast no obomodin edi remo ajes obabe grant interview one eye dida you na edin koma hodo na enye asem ketokra elho na ensabdo do na ne eye Mikel Obi no so ebisa dida you nsusu no eyi ano ana enye asem ketokra elho na Andrew Ayew enso achirem otuado na awase ne Yes, second and 10th kura. Wabra went to man qualify to AFCON 2025 no. Eho anana e was a nei almost sake a year Ghana young coach Otuado. I am man in a mua copim say ye call wake up no. A honey coco sakin into Drew Sans and Semino a year Andrea you or in some way to ja.
It was a call that maybe should have happened long well before. It's a call that should have happened long well before. I think when you're Ghana and don't qualify for the AFCON, you can't totally spend it. That's my duty. You know, I know him. It was played not really together, but like I played under him when he was assistant, as a coach, etc. But after that, he was able to qualify us to the World Cup. So then, the vacancies, them about I think 5-6 friendly matches just after, and we fall. So now it becomes, you know, a bit tangible. That's why I think now everybody becomes important to these small guys, right? Because Daniel, the Black Stars, is for the whole country, and he really wants to win. But there's a process to win, and he knows us. At Chelsea, yes, we of course Roman wants to win that BK, but there's a process. Yeah, it's supposed to. But there's a process, and that's what I think was the problem. It's with ultimately that I don't think that was a main issue. You know, I don't think that was a main issue. He brought in an experienced manager. I think he.
And I know I Andre Ayew and somebody be also added to Jadon Samano and so to also add the Mamanti and I know our and crying. Weekend and all and I say Obi Mikel and also APM and a podcast and all to see Joy Ayew so. I just want to know no editing comma enya asem ketu akra e wo ma enya asem ketu akra na idea the day you and so it's my neighbor panty and a na amode bia mo coming together as family enya asem ketu akra and so e wo no the day you in some way and so toja
together, have some family time with the kids, Jordan's kids, Raheem's kids, you know. I think it's needed. The past 18 years, 19 years I've been hectic. Even before I left Ghana with 18. Yeah. So you guys are quite close, isn't it? You and your brothers, you guys are quite close. Yeah. Every time I see you like on social media, there's always something. You always have family together with you. You know, a lot of players I see, you know, when they become famous, there's always problems with family. But
Enti na cheza her background sound na dede and so ho ye pa baby omo won what ya say na face supporters are omo so omo do Mikel obi omo nyina atwa na cheza sound come on and so cause the dia anya asam ketu akra e wo ho enti eno e de etoja don sam no and so e de emamo e wo ayo jumade ni so na owura no and so etimi e de sam etimi atoja o se ene Salim Adams what ya say on so no okọ what ya say o se ye momode ni create the next star and so away in league ni mo isi aye say or say the next star our league no Benjamin Sorry and then mama yen no so pa antino yen na
Saimo the one keep over the match more or less from Sarri was Benjamin is the one and
you know the stardom of the Tamil Premier and Udarif. But now and with Salim you left, I think he went in Sudan. That it, yeah. Stopped up the Claire and the young Popo was a Kodopo. There are no players who can really do the job, but if for Benson now, these three are there to stand out. The only one I can bet on is if Benjamin stays, which I hope and I hope he really has a contract really suits him. But he's the one to become. But I think now we have to create our next star.
And then Tina was it to me a create next star as so our ayali grimna nioma etimi and so ayakama and no idea to Jadon Samano and so to also Eddie Amamo 95.5 FM so and ya some control in some crack to Jade for new my Jordan as you ho Sir Jordan or any pebia or ye gene on time pekasa what you say now so etimi idea to judge my Jordan as you yen road to work up on a Jordan contribute to a lot upon a Jordan contribute to a lot and can it goes outdoor share Osha 7 goals. Now O provided 7 assists. Amaya Kwako PM World Cup no. Name still nana man for air criticizing and name on the one sending Yabema no. Yana on no Oyobia on Pekasa and found the BC Atias the focus and so our Pramana Sosine Bea and Yama BTB and so Ayakama Edi Amana no and so Ayedi da you. Our brother so Eshia Mikelobi our Ghana Hanamana se Mikelobi share the da you in the children come on Ama and Yama and so Etimeta idea no and so the Edu still now on ya Bonobo. Are there 2 or 3 clubs? What just some that so epana on beso banon on ebe juma na and Yama Etimi and so Ayakama no Eddie Eto Jado Semino and so Etwaso Eddie Amamo 95.5 FM so and ya Asem Ketakra and so El Honomo now or in some to just or anymore Sir Kudus Mohammed on also Obetima be top a player of say Mohamed Salah Nanyama Etima tidy or so Bia was a player at the great player no and so we've been trying to do who so are you good enough also Bomadin no rising them for Liverpool Manchester City mono Arsenal mono Otimi and so Kobo Bidumamo now Bibi and so Etimi Ayakama no and so the da you summer where Timi Ade Atujado Samano and some Ade Mamo and then on pay 95.5 FM so Amaro says transfer window no Yabamadi and so close no Ghana dear no what they say May 25th and Enra and also Etimi Banawia and no August 23rd and also Etimi Abanawia say no one to me unsigning a player biadia and now T and so Etimi Atia and no idea to Jado Semino and so to also idea mama 95.5 FM so yanka and one somebody been Etimi Edi Achirama and Yasem Ketakra the Continental Club Masters never say that until the bones are fully rotten. Beautiful people with beautiful colors. Accra House of Folk. And Yasem Ketakra what you say some invitational tournament game and Elkosono. Omo uses a Breno. And they announce newly recruited players. And the children almost supporters are now and Yasem Ketakra Prince Amevo. Abdulaziz or Swedru Oblas, Alex Banso, and Anano Andy. And so Kanasam Namuru FC, Roxen Chreme, Caleb Quantin, Victory Club Warriors, John Manuel, Park Academy, and I feel Ebenezer Mo, Swedru All Blacks, and I feel John Entry of Dreams FC, where more newly players are. The Continental Club Masters never say die until the bones are fully rotten. Wamonsuno, Omotimi Abomodin assigning Omo, and no Eddie Toja, and all some answer Twaso, Eddie Amamo 95.5 FM. So, and China U20, Poland, World Cup, no, and also Baby Toja. Now, I also say Black Princesses, players, no, by 7. The Omopra, what I say, Asana Osman, only a goalkeeper, Grace Andor. On also a goalkeeper, and I feel a Kayla Sapon, on also a goalkeeper. I mean, I see duty injury. One share ya. Now, almost no squad, no, or my out, or to me and Concobobi, no, Eddie Eltoja Mercy Atobra, or no, a forward, and I feel Mary Amponsa, on a forward. Linda Owusu a midfielder and Jessica Apia. Wemo and so any players are where be an squad no ebeba no is your film na be so etimi ayakama no agwakwa rosam ede ama eye o my Ghana ye don somebody been and so to so ede amamo 95.5 FM so eno and so ede tie no ntino informate for say Park Academy omo the ball modern and so eje title no edisi omo so ema any positive rather omo the ball modern eje edisi omo so ema anyama etimi and so aye kama no and so aye invitational tournament and so etimi elko so I will put my no informate for say any positive omo ball modern and so aje ama anyama etimi and so ataidia and no idea etuja bra omo so eche the Continental Club Masters never say that until the bones are fully rotten and no mamo ekano aye baako ema House of Folk omo so no entimi antisa ekana no and so idea etuja it was some idea mamoti adi I don't know
go no na it's very fantastic. Okay. Positive for omo mini business yen kam obi ante say omo ye new promoter club omo aba ni ye pa na metima ka say open for now Ghanaian players and I say local teams na omo free division 1 join Premier League no opo omo bom hu ye pa positive ka ho bi positive ka ho bi say no awon yom go na hwe free kick no
correct one pa
say no mo be Premier League no mo dia kojo and positive for hu be hu pa you better try say we are any omo communication director be din komo ni ahwe because opetima almost wo sika omo ni sika ba league no mu a positive so ka ho bi omo ka ho bi pa
ya na aboba se ya na efu ana ekona ya na mafia school no ne mafia lesem no mo se na ma abamu aba on sajene na team no kura mpo a wo buy with vim full vim and vigor no as a bembuo bi ye dey
eba
enya hu Lagos City
so enye ye say ne ye dey see because we eba so dey do na aba transfers say ya close nti we eba na clubs ni nyina na ye dey squad na ye dey aba betodwa but positive a team to watch ko you say na no ye kase bibi ba is it officially oko Ahwenepa FM YouTube no so
okay
and daso no
all right
oko YouTube no so daso you say ucho ni daso den we Mame Safwa Foundation collaboration with Ahwenepa FM
okay
inter community gala na we so 20th September 12 p.m. and at 12 noon sharp
okay
the communities in here Asankare Esubua Dampong Kwaben Abrewenko
okay
we mu communities na eba so honti we say Ahwenepa FM yes akeka ho bia mu de akojo na chese nya sankotwa media partners in Ranty TV KH TV and also Ahwenepa FM as usual ye de ye gina mu dada nti Mame Safwa Foundation I say Obatampa Foundation yeah Jumanti you see afi watre na shim nema bebre na woma ye de gala kakrakawi eko Asante Achem Dampon na ma remfi so say Dampon ne Esubua nyina so afi bia hotel Achem South no NDC elections na baso
okay
Zongo Caucus Zongo Caucus coordinator and still maintain ono ana odi so dada as Zongo Caucus coordinator to hedjuma oye ya the party number power I think say obesa to aso aye na edjuma nti delegate no nya we say almost am maintaining Anabi Mohammed say on a drip coordinator tiba de omo ni dada so mo eso mo to mo Akisiba ne Majid Kisiba F5 for deputy organizer Majid for treasurer omo so no edru wa delegate ne kai no mo to aba ne fa Akisiba and Majid for treasurer and also deputy organizer na omo bo adwuma pa omo ye youth a omo betima organize omo hu yi ama party no so aya akono biem e de ama amanfo yin nti omo kai omo na omo to aba no fa ema omo tikojo anope kakra wo no
ti ebe sorry so na ka chire ene na busu afọ aba beto aso entimi edi ama 95.5 FM
Manager, what's in your bedroom?
Anio, and no driver be for me. And no mommy, Vanico natural herbal powder. And some economy be, when I'm yaw to ayera, and never to me about Juma. More when I'm yaw, I bet Sanamuni Pediaso. And I'm a Juma Ding, and a dada Jumaye. Na and nam or yawinti, Montimia Juma Biara. And more a Juma Dinti, de Biara, Mohonam Yamoya. Nampo, when I'm a yawinti, a binimuntimin sorry free one a ketaso and ope Biara. A drum may come for Mamo, and a Vanico natural herbal powder.
Manager, it's a hina menya biato.
Ubenya bio pharmacists, over-the-counter medical sellers, any herbal shops dodo na emu. Anase, for a decent herbal center, Ejumakoi ewa humaiso 0557 737 143. Send ya ube nom nonye. Ube sa treketwa ma bako aguti kapu.
Anya wakto huagu. Anya wakto huagu. Anemre mwa keke ofori roofing. Aden chance